Ready to prove you're the ultimate college football general manager and coach? Let's dive right into how to set up head-to-head online games in College Football 25. First up, from the main menu, navigate to the online play section. It's usually front and center. Hard to miss. Once you're in the online play menu, look for head-to-head and select it. This is where the magic happens. Now, you have two main options: invite friend or find opponent. If you want to challenge a specific buddy, choose invite friend. Otherwise, find opponent will match you with another player online. If you chose invite friend, a list of your online friends will appear. Simply select the friend you want to play and send them an invite. Regardless of how you find your opponent, once they accept, you'll both be taken to the team selection screen. Pick your team wisely. This is where winning starts. After both players have chosen their teams, you'll be taken to the Pregame Lobby. Here, you can adjust your game settings like quarter length and difficulty. Make sure you and your opponent are on the same page. Once everything is set, hit ready and prepare for kickoff. Now get out there and dominate your opponent, showing them who's boss on the virtual gridiron.